Ketaki ji, what's the plan for today's session? And if you can give us some idea about what we're going to do today.
First of all, Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
When we're learning Sanskrit, it's necessary that we start speaking it at some point. Only learning it won't help. So in today's episode, we'll go over the vocabulary words.
Perfect. That sounds like a great plan.
The first greeting, instead of hello, we can go with Namaste or Namo Namaha.
Namaste or Namo Namaha.
The next word is Suprabhatam.
Suprabhatam.
That's good morning. So whenever, instead of saying good morning, we can start using Suprabhatam or Sumadhyanam, good afternoon. Susandhya.
Susandhya, good evening.
Shubharatrihi is good night.
Shubharatrihi.
Yes. So whenever we start a conversation, the first thing we'll use is how are you? So we can say Katham asti bhavan.
Katham asti bhavan.
So for a male, if it's for a female, we will say Katham asti bhavati.
Katham asti bhavati.
Yes. If you have to answer, we will say Aham kushalam asmi.
Aham kushalam asmi.
Yes. If you're fine, if you're not fine, Aham kushalam nasmi.
Aham kushalam nasmi.
Yes. Then questionatory words like where, we will say Kutra.
Kutra.
How is Katham.
Katham.
Then what will be Kim.
Kim.
If we have to ask what is your name, we can say Bhavatah Nama Kim.
Bhavatah nama kim.
Yes. Or Bhavatyaha Nama Kim.
So if I'm asking you, I'll say Bhavatyaha nama kim.
Yes. Astu or Sadhu Uttamam is good, alright.
Astu, sadhu, uttamam.
Yes.
And similarly, we can have the negatives of all of these, right?
Yeah, like Sadhu Nasti,
Sadhu nasti,
Uttamam Nasmi.
uttamam nasmi.
Then in Sanskrit, there will be Tatra.
Tatra,
Here will be Atra.
atra,
Everywhere will be Sarvatra.
sarvatra,
If you have to ask where, it will be Kutra.
kutra.
If I have to ask you, where do you stay? Bhavan Kutra Vasati.
Aham London nagare vasami.
Perfect. If you're asking a female, Bhavati Kutra Vasati.
Bhavati kutra vasati.
Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasami. Then for you, we said Tvam.
Tvam.
Tvam does not have a gender. Tvam is common for both the genders.
Okay.
Then simple words like mother, father. For mother, we can say Mata or Janani.
Mata, janani.
For father, we can use Pita, Janakaha or Tataha.
Pita, janakah or tatah.
Yes. Again, Janaka and Tata are simple words. Pita is a bit complicated. Then sister is Bhagini
Bhagini.
and brother can be Bhrata or Anujaha or Agrajaha.
Bhrata, anujah or agrajah.
Yes, Anujaha means the younger one, Agrajaha means the elder one. So, for example, Ramaha Lakshmanasya Agrajaha, Lakshmanaha Ramasya Anujaha.
Ramah Lakshmanasya agrajah, Lakshmana Ramasya anujah.
Yes, perfect. Then for grandmother, in English we do not separate like father's mother and mother's mother, we will say grandmother.
Right.
But in Sanskrit, like Indian languages, we will separate them maternal and maternal.
Right.
So if it's mother's mother, we will say Matamahi.
Matamahi,
If it's father's mother, we will say Pitamahi.
Pitamahi.
The same way for grandfather, if it is father's father, we will say Pitamaha.
Pitamaha,
And if it is mother's father, we will say Mata.
Matamaha.
Yes. So Mahaha is for grandfather. We
Right.
can add Mata or Pita. But here we do not use any other word, like we won't say Janani Mahaha. We will say Pitamaha or Mata.
Pitamaha, Matamaha.
So if I have to say that I am a teacher, I will say Aham Shikshika. Whenever a female says, she will end it in Shikshika. Aham Chhatra. Aham Balika. If you are saying, you will say Aham शिक्षकः और अहं छात्रः, अहं बालकः.
Aham Chhatrah. Okay. If I have to say I am a student of Sanskrit, Aham Sanskritasya Chhatrah.
Perfect. Can we try putting this in a conversation?
Yes.
So, Namo Namaha.
Namo Namah.
Bhavatah Nama Kim?
Mama Nama Amitah.
Uttama. So here we can also say Bhavatah Nama Kim Asti. Asti we add or we do not add, the meaning remains same.
Okay.
So we can use it Bhavatah Nama Kim Asti or Bhavatyaha Nama Kim Asti.
Yes. If I were asking you, I would say Bhavatya Nama Kim.
Yes. Mama Nama Ketaki.
Uttamam.
Bhavan Kutra Vasati?
Aham London Nagare Vasami. Bhavatya Kutra Vasati.
Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasami.
Sadhu.
Bhavan Kim Karoshi?
Aham Sanganika Visheshagnya, or I can say Aham Sanganika Nipunaha.
Yes.
Do I need to say Asmi? So Aham Sanganika Nipunaha Asmi. It's a superfluous word, right? Like the previous one, I could keep it or I could drop it.
It's the speaker's wish whether to use it or not
Right.
to use it. If you want a full complete, like in English we complete a sentence with a verb. So if you want to do that, we can use asmi.
Right.
But if you don't use it, the meaning remains the same. Then Bhavan Sanskrita Bhasha Patitum Ichchati va?
Aham Ativa Ichchami Sanskritasya Jnanam Praptum.
So I'll put it in a sentence. Aham Sanskrita Bhashayaha Jnanam Labdhum Ativa Utsukah Asmi. You can say that.
Okay. Is that all for today? For the vocabulary?
Yeah, we'll increase it slowly.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much, Ketaki ji.